When I'm chilly through and through, through and through, through and through, when I'm chilly through and through, give me soup or stew. Yum, yum. When I'm cold, I want something warm in my tum-tum. What about you? When the heat is hard to beat, hard to beat, hard to beat. When the heat is hard to beat, give me ice cream. What a treat. Class, today we're going to be talking about seasons. Now, one season we know of that we have to kind of gear up for. Wait, I'm going to get something. I have to put it on because it'll remind you of that season. Let's see. If I put this on, how do you think I'm feeling? Why do you think I need to wear this and zip it all the way up? What season do you think it is? Ooh, yeah, I feel better now. What season do you think it is when we have to wear something over our ears, around our neck, and even our head? What season do you think it is? Winter, that's right. If we have to wear winter clothes, it's going to be cold out. Now, the other season that's kind of opposite from winter would mean that I need to take that off because it's so hot. And I might even feel like jumping in the swimming pool. What season is that? That's right, it's summer, and summer is coming up. Today is Wednesday, May 20, 2020. And I was feeling a little under the weather today. So I'm sorry for the delay. I was under the weather today, but here I am. We're going to catch up our lessons. Today is Wednesday, May 20, 2020. And our wonderful word this week is astronomy. Astronomy begins with what letter? A and astronomy. Now, we are going to focus on the letter W because W is in our morning message. In the winter, I blank. In the winter, I blank. Now, you know that the sun, the moon, and the stars, which are all in the sky, have something to do with our seasons. You see, when the sun gets closer to the earth, it's sunnier, it's brighter, it's hotter like the summertime. And when it's further away from the earth, it's going to be colder just like it is in winter. So today we're going to be reading a few little stories from a little girl named Regan. Now here's a picture of Regan and her little sister and another picture of Regan and her little sister. What time of year do you think this is? Winter, that's right. How can you tell it's winter? Because of the way they're dressed. What else is on the ground there? Snow. I love snow. Now this is a different time of year. What time of year do you think this is? They went to the beach. Look what they're wearing. Do you think it's hot out? But see, this hat is different than this hat. This hat is used to keep the sun off of her face. This hat is used to keep her warm. So I'm going to read from Regan's journal while you look at the pictures. This is a picture of me and my sister when we went for a sled ride last winter. Look at the clothes we are wearing. It makes me shiver to think about how cold that day was. I was wearing a red wool coat like Little Red Riding Hood. Ooh, I remember that story. Do you? My hat and mittens are red and I am wearing splashing boots. Do you see her boots she's wearing? That's what I call the boots I wear when I want to splash in water or mud or snow. What do you like to wear on a cold winter day? Does it snow where you live? Well, it hasn't snowed here in years, really. I miss snow, so Texas doesn't have a lot of snow, does it? My sister and I like to ride in the sled. We throw snowballs, we make snow angels, and we build snow people. What would you do if it snowed at your home? So today you're going to draw a picture of what you would do if it was winter and it snowed at our house. Let's look at the next picture. This is a picture of my sister and me when we went to the beach at the state park. Some beaches are on the edge of the ocean or sea. Some beaches are on the edge of a lake. This is a beach on the edge of a lake. Look at the clothes we are wearing. Can you tell it is a very hot day? We are wearing shorts to stay cool. And my sister is wearing a hat to protect her face from what? What do you think is there to protect her face from? Yep, the sun. Mom rubbed lots of sunscreen on us that day because the sun was shining so brightly. What do you like to wear on a hot summer day? Do you like to go barefoot like my sister when we go to the beach? Look, her sister does not have any shoes on. I love the feel of sand on my toes. In the summer, I like to play in water. Sometimes I run through the sprinkler. Other days we go to the city swimming pool to cool off. What do you like to do on a hot summer day? So I'm going to show you an example of what I want for you to draw and to write. So I want you to grab a piece of paper, and down the middle you're going to fold it like so. And on one side, you are going to write the word winter. Winter begins with a W sound, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Winter. You're going to write the word winter on one side, and on the other side, you're going to write the word summer. Summer begins with an S, summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer, winter and summer. And my son drew a picture for you. He drew a picture of what he would do if we had snow in Texas. He would build a snowman. That's right. So he drew a picture of himself sitting back and looking at his wonderful creation, a snowman. And then if it was summer, this is what he likes to do in the summer. What do you think he's doing? There's a lake or a pond. There's some trees. The sun is shining bright. There are no clouds in the sky. What do you think he has? He put in the water. Yes, he put a fishing line. He likes to go fishing in the summer. So I want you to draw a picture of what you would do in the winter and what you would do in the summer. Winter and summer. If you see the sun is shining really brightly in the summer. And where is the sun in the winter? It's not so bright in the winter, is it? And the clouds are hiding it. So you may go ahead and draw your winter and summer picture. Good job, guys, and thank you for joining us.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.